So the first thing I want to get into with this technique is the sectioning. Sectioning this off is kind of the most important part about the technique. I'm really just following the hairline. So this is a new sectioning technique that I've been playing around with because the head shape is so important, and I've talked about that in a lot of videos. But also the hairline is really important, and it plays a lot of role, a big key role in the density of the hair. So I follow that hairline all the way around, creates kind of like a square section on the top. We clip that away, and then I take a diagonal forward parting from the point of that square down to behind the ear, and that sections off the front of the face. So we're going to be using the Joico Blonde Life Lightener. This lifts up to 9 levels. That's not what I'm going for in this technique. Really, I just want to pop the some highlights into the front because I'm going to overlay it with one tone. But because I'm putting highlights in it, it's going to give me that depth and dimension throughout the technique. So what I want you to notice here, I'm doing diagonal forward partings all the way up the head shape, using just slices because this is a bob haircut. She's not going to be wearing it up. I chose the slices because it's a little bit more prominent, and I really wanted to kick that brightness up in the front of the hair. So I take a slice, I cut that in half. It's a baby fine section or parting, and then I slide the foil up underneath, and I paint the Blonde Life Lightener with the 30 volume on there. So I'm going to work my way up all the way around the front of the hair, all the way up to the part, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side. I'm going to speed this up so it's a little bit easier for you guys to consume, so enjoy. Alright, so you guys can see that placement, that diagonal forward placement. I'm sure you can imagine it's going to pop that brightness right in the front. And I'm going to go in with the 6RR with a dash of 4RR. This is Joico LumiShine Demi-Permanent Liquid Hair Color with 5 volume developer. I'm going to place that all over the hair. Now, because we saturated our entire head with the same tone, those foils really come into play to pop just a little bit different tone into the front. So I wasn't trying to lift her super high, so you can see how that square falls over and that brightness sits right around her face. It changed the overall tone of her hair to more of a red tone. It just looks really rich, nice, beautiful color. Hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.